Welcome everybody to Violet and Valerie's channel. Welcome back. And today Violet's going to be doing her very own bark box. And she's right there licking the box. Hi guys. How are you today? I'm here. I'm going to help Violet. I'm here and I'm going to help Violet. So we got a bark box today. An actual bark box. I ordered her a subscription and she's already biting into it. And Violet had her shots today, so she might be, she's been kind of sleeping most of the day. And then I wasn't going to do this till tomorrow, and then all of a sudden she kind of started roaming around the house and started grabbing her toys and wanting to play and stuff. So I thought, okay, we'll go ahead and get her bark box and get her some new toys to play with. So it came today. It came really, really fast. And I think her subscription is like $24 a month, something like that. Yeah, I put her down as a medium-sized dog because small dogs are like 1 to 20 pounds and medium dogs are 20 to 50, and she's right at that 20-pound range. But I was afraid that they would get her too small of toys, or I wasn't sure how that works. So anyway, I just went with medium sized dog on her profile. And oh, she's really getting into it here. So if you don't know what bark box is, it's a subscription toy and treat subscription box for doggies. And it will come every month, and it is a themed box. And yeah, this is her first one that she's gotten. She got a play box. Her last video, she did a play box from Pet Supply Plus, and that was like a cheapie, okay? It only had a couple toys and a couple treats in it. So, yeah, and I thought, well, she's such a good dog. And I normally just go all out for Christmas for her, but I decided this year I'm going to just give her some Christmas, but then she's going to get these bark boxes every month, too. So she'll have something to look forward to, some new toys and stuff. I mean, we need new stuff like that. And I think they do, too. So she's still spitting all this cardboard up. Shall we open the box, Violet? Are you ready to open it up? Let Mama help you. Let Mama help you open the box. Let's open the box. There's fun stuff inside. Oh, no. No, come on, let's open the box, Violet. Get your paw out of there. Oh, doggy. Ooh, doggy. Violet, I can't get her nose out of there. Okay, let's show the people what you get. All right. The theme is Dogs Giving. Okay. Oh, she's having a cow. She loves these things. Okay, Dogs Giving is the theme. Oh, she already got something. She already got her one toy, and she's having a ball with, it might be a little big for her. Okay, they give you a card for something about a free month of feasting. So, let's see. 'Tis the season for giving thanks, yes, but 'tis also the season for spoiling the ones we love. So I think there's like, I don't know. I think you give this to somebody. Yeah, with the promo code, I guess people can, you can refer people and they can go get a free box. Just a minute. You just wait. You wait. And I got How to Bark Box. So that stuff I'll read later. Can you get out of here? Can you get out of here? Oh, she's got her nose buried in the treats. She's got her, okay, so I'll show her toys. Oh, she's doing that. So she has got the recipe mashed potatoes. Okay. This is medium to large, so maybe I might have to downsize her to small. Because it looks like these, you're going to fall. These might be a little bit too, I don't know, we'll see. It says top person on it. I'll see how she does with this, but I may have to downsize her. Oh, I see what and she smells this. She got a soft and chewy 100% beef patty. That's a snack. She's got her nose in the snack. And second helping ham. It's pork recipe dog treats. And is Dogs Giving treats. She got a bag of those. I think this is really worth the money because, I mean, just the treats alone, I would probably spend the $24 just to buy treats because they're so expensive. And she's very food more oriented. And this is Bark Dogs Giving Treats. There's the beef recipe dog treats. And these are all 4.5 ounces. The bags are 4.5 ounces. So yeah. And so then this is a chew. It's 100% beef dog chew, made in the USA. And I heard these were like all like grain free. Let's see, it says it's wheat free, soy free, corn free, grain free. So yeah, and it's made in the USA. So there you have it. You don't even want your toys. Let's show the people the other toy you got. Okay, so she got the oven baked turkey. Okay, it's a turkey, stuffed turkey. It's got that in it, and then it's got the can of dog food inside of it. I thought you wanted to play. No, the food's out here. She wants the food. Okay, you want to do a taste test of some of the food? You want to try some of the snacks? Okay. Mama open snacks. Okay, we'll open the snacks. It's a dog's giving. It's oh, doggy. It smells. Oh, that smells good. I want one of those. Oh, good girl. Her took it nice. Her took it nice. Is that good? Is that good? Oh, baby, you like that? Okay, you want to try one of these? She'll probably love this. She's not real fond of beef. I mean, she'll eat beef, but her ham. She loves ham, chicken, turkey, and some salmon. Not a lot, but mainly she loves ham. Want to smell that? Oh, she's licking that bag. Oh, you want to try that? She's gone. She's gone. She wants to go over there and just... It does smell like ham. It smells good. So, yeah, this is really fun. This is really fun. And then it shows you all the toys that were in this month's Bark Box. And you can go on their website and you can also... No. You can also purchase more toys as well. So, yeah. Right here it says, make your pups Dogs Giving Toast. Your dog names Violet's Thanksgiving Toast. I'm thankful for Violet. Favorite thing to do? Eat. I'm favorite. Oh, so you're supposed to fill it in and stuff. I might do that later. We might do that later. But yeah, this is really cool. I really enjoyed it. Did you like your Bark Box, Violet? Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you like your toys? You didn't act like you liked your toys too much. No, Mama gonna have to put that food away, and then maybe you take it. Let's put the treats up. Let's put the treats up, and then see if you like the toys. Because I basically got it for the toys. But if you're just gonna do the treats, maybe we'll just get toys. Go play with your toys. All right, let me move these. Let me move that out of the way. That's too much of a distraction, right? Too much of a distraction. So let's get this. Let me get the plastic things off. There you go. There you go. Just a minute. Let me get the plastic off. Oh, she likes to strip them squeakers out of there. Not much camera. Come over here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, let's get this one off. Let me get this one off, okay? Oh, and then that didn't come off like the way I wanted it to. She's watching me. Make sure I'm not doing nothing with this. Okay, I'll have to get that later. Riley. Alright guys, so I guess that's it, okay? So yeah, she had 2 minutes, so she'll get into playing with him a little bit more. But yeah, so we'll see how this works out. She's going back right after her treats. She loves her treats. So I may have to make them not give treats in her boxes because she's standing right out there by the counter where I've got them at. And she's probably going to go woof, woof, woof all night like she has been. But she's normally very toy oriented, loves toys. But when she smelled those treats, man, that was it. So, all right, thank you guys for tuning in and watching Violet's big unboxing again. We really do appreciate it. And for all of you guys that are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by too. And we would appreciate if you click the subscribe button before you leave and become a subscriber of ours. Become part of the family. Become a vixen, okay? Vi and Val's Vixens. That's what I'm calling everybody. So, yeah, that's it for Barkbox today. So, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. I got Nadine West tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow. All right, take care. Love you guys. You want to say goodbye? Come here. You want to say goodbye? Come here. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say, I love my Barkbox. You love your Barkbox? You love your Barkbox? All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye.
The Good Wife, tonight at 11:10 Central on Start TV.
Attention, are you on Medicaid or Medicare? The U.S. government recently announced that 12.2 million citizens are eligible for additional benefits.
What you got, girl? You got stuffed turkey?
Medicare or Medicaid. These additional benefits include up to $1,000 of dental credit, up to $1,200 to spend at your local pharmacy, up to $144.
Oh, her new toy? Her likes her new toys? Huh? Like your new toys? Let Mama have that. Oh, we got the pup potatoes. Mashed pup potatoes. Yes. Well, she's enjoying her new Barkbox. I just wanted to show you guys here that she is getting into the toys once she got past the snacky snacks. No, we're not doing snacky snacks. Oh, you give me that. You give me that. Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it?
So he's healthy.
Violet, what do you got?
Extremely healthy.
What do you got?
Sure.
Hmm? What you got? You got your... Oh, can I have your toy? Can I have it? Did you get that from your Barkbox? Did you get that toy from your Barkbox? Huh? So far, she does have some of these tore up a little bit. You can see here, right there, she's got a hole in that one. The turkey, you can see she got some of the stuffing out of this turkey one. Not horrible. Normally by now, toys that have stuffing in them and squeakers in them, there you go. She would have them like totally annihilated. So these are actually holding up better than what the in-store stuff is. So even though she's, you know, still ripping them up, that's not quite as bad. So like you can see the toy right like over here. Yeah, that toy, that was like totally annihilated within minutes. You know, and these are not so bad. So I think the quality is better than in-store toys, and yeah, so I don't know, I may be upgrading her to Power Chewer too. We're going to try a few of these boxes, just the regular chewy Barkbox, regular Barkbox, and then if we start having more issues, then I may just upgrade and get her the Power Chewer and try that one out.
So there we are. So I'm pretty impressed so far. We've had fun with these. So, and she's liking them. She's liking them. She's been laying there chewing on them. So that's a good thing. All right, Violet. Do you like your BarkBox toys? Do you like your BarkBox toys? You're such a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl? Yes.